Narasimham sir.
Please, you can go ahead, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We had a very fruitful day. I now call upon Suma ma'am to give her impressions on the day. Suma ma'am, please. Suma ma'am, are you here? From Mysore? Pavan sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can give your impression, sir.
Yes. Most Honorable Assistant Commissioner Sir, P.C. Raju Sir, and most respected Honorable Sir, Shri Narasimhan Sir, Principal Bhanumati Ma'am, and our trainer, today's trainer, Shri Nivasan Sir, and all my co-learners, participants, good evening to one and all. So today's workshop started with the inaugural address by Shri P.C. Raju Sir, which was very motivated. His gracious presence was very enthusiastic and motivated for all of us. Then the presence of Shri Narasimham Sir, we all felt energetic and it was very refreshing. There is a quote like listening a wise person for an hour is living a year. So Narasimham Sir has spoken about his vast experience in detail, where he has spoken about the need of digital learning, vocational teaching, and equipment. Teachers need to equip themselves with the latest techniques so that we can do and abreast with the NEP objectives and guidelines. So Sir has also highlighted about the NEP, the objectives of NEP, where the access, equity and quality was the most important. So after that comes the session of Srinivasan Sir, which is most enlightening one. When my name was given for this workshop, I was really did not know anything about this. But now, in the evening today, I see the topic again, the statement of teaching philosophy to support teacher autonomy. It is really a very important instrument in the hands of the teachers. Like Sir has rightly and very successfully delivered the content of his PPT, where he has highlighted the need of STP, statement of teaching philosophy. What is the need? And then in the later part, he has spoken about the importance and how to write, how to construct STP. And then our post-lunch session was really very interactive, very fruitful. I could have so many insights from various learners of this Bangalore region. I just want to highlight 2-3 more points. So when Srinivasan Sir has spoken about the need of STP, why I teach, what I teach, how I teach, and how I measure my effectiveness. That is also, again, I feel it like it's like a speed breaker. We are continuously teaching every day, and this today's workshop is like a speed breaker where we need to stop for a moment, collect this very important tool with us, and get it equipped, understand it as per the NEP guidelines, and then we need to revise. Most of the things we know here and there, but today's workshop is in a very formal manner, in a very effective manner was presented. So I personally got very much, I could learn something from it. And then after synchronization part, the construction part of the STP, how to write STP and asking these 8 questions, those are very important. Like how do children learn? How should I teach? That is very important. These all questions are looking very easy. But at the time of writing the answers, it was really brainstorming, and a lot of critical thinking was involved into this. So how do I motivate the unmotivated learners? The insights from the teachers also in the post-lunch session was really brilliant. I'm thankful to my principal and KVSR Bangalore for giving me opportunity in participating in this wonderful workshop. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan sir. I think all of us, when we were chosen for the program, we were unaware of what exactly are we expected to do in the workshop. But I think it has enriched us with so much of insight as to how we can be better educators. Thank you, Pawan sir. Now I call upon Suma ma'am. Suma ma'am, are you there?
You just give a ring and ask her, Lata madam. Just now it was left to Suma.
Okay, sir. Jyoti Verma ma'am, would you like
Ask someone to call her now.
Jyoti Verma ma'am? Anybody else who would like to give your impressions?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Pritam Kumar from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gulbarga.
Yes,
May
sir.
I?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Most respected Assistant Commissioner, sirs, Principal Madam, Bhanumati Madam.
Keep your
Srinivas
camera
sir.
perfectly, Pritam Kumar ji.
Sir.
Pritam
My
Kumar
camera is
ji,
on
you
only,
sit
sir.
down in one place. Comfortably sit down in one place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now it's
No, I was
little
sitting near.
audible. Now it is
Is
visible.
clarity there, sir?
Little.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
you are looking bright. You are looking bright. Carry on.
Thank you very much, sir. I think we are looking very bright because of the brightest officers are sitting over there, whose
Thank you.
reflections are there, whose rays are incident on us. And that is the reason why we participants might be looking brighter, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, this workshop, as our co-participant has been told, it's very fruitful. Yes, I do agree with. I'm very much fortunate to be selected as one of the participants for today's workshop. See, the fate is the principal. It was he wanted to give to the English department, but somehow they were busy. Something I don't know. I was selected. TGT Science. I'm very much grateful to our principal sir for having selected me for today's workshop. I'm very much grateful to KVS RO Bangalore region for having conducted such an inspirational, knowledgeable workshop for all of us. Things were planned in a very excellent way for today's workshop, and they have executed in a very excellent manner. Though it is a workshop of online mode, I did not feel that it is an online. I felt as if I am there physically present with all the officers and all the co-participants. That is the specialty of today's workshop. Usually, whenever such online workshops are being taken up, some disturbance of networking and all, today that part we could not experience at all. It went very well. The post this thing, lunch session, how beautifully the groups have been made. The topics or the questions have been assigned to all the groups. I did not feel that it is a one-day workshop and all of a sudden things have been planned. And the co-participants, those who came forward as a leader for presenting their views on the topics assigned to them, we felt as if they have prepared long back. These teachers, the co-participants of Bangalore region, they are the excellent communicators. I really, I have learned as far as the communication part is concerned from the officer side, communication part from the co-participant side, it is excellent. All the co-participants who came out for presenting their views on the topics assigned to them was very effective. I appreciate all my co-participants. See, and the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we feel very much proud. I feel very much proud that I have been selected in Bangalore region. These teachers are very good inspirers. They are very good motivators. They are the good leaders, and they are the very good teachers. So today's workshop was planned in a very successful way, and the matter which has been transacted to all of us, we have taken it up, and my sincere request to the organizers to see that the matter what all has been transacted today, if it is given in the form of a soft copy to us, so that we'll be sharing with the teachers of our own Vidyalaya. I'm very grateful to the organizers for having given me the opportunity to speak on this occasion. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Preetham Kumar, because I know you have been in service course also. And sir, for regarding the workshop materials, it's already put in the WhatsApp group by Srinivasan sir. Today afternoon by 12 o'clock he has put. So kindly see to that, it is already there. And I request Raju sir.
Bhanumati madam,
Yes, sir.
Bhanumati madam, KP
Yes, sir.
Suma joined. KP Suma joined. Ask her to give her impressions.
Yes, sir. Miss KP Suma, will you please give your impression?
Yes, ma'am.
We are waiting for your impressions. Okay.
Yes. Good afternoon, respected Narasimham sir, respected Raju sir, Bhanumati madam, Srinivasan sir, and all my co-participants. The goal of a course or teachers workshop is to help and improve the teaching skills. It provides the networking opportunity and empowers teachers. And in this light, this workshop, one-day workshop on the statement of teaching philosophy to support teacher anatomy was a grand success. And Raju sir and Bhanumati madam welcomed us to this group, to this workshop. And Narasimham sir, in his keynote address, he highlighted not only about the empowerment of the teachers for to become better in their teaching learning process, but also highlighted upon the CBE pedagogical process, experimental learning, vocational education, etc., and shared his immense experience and knowledge in all his fields. This workshop, statement of teaching philosophy to support teachers, Srinivasan sir highlighted very well what the goals of these were and summed up this in 8 questions. And he gave us the opportunity to introspect into ourselves what was hidden in us. And it was like we came out with all these answers, or what we were actually practicing we could share with each other. And in the beginning, when we were given the letter that we are going to participate in this philosophy of learning, we were thinking what this philosophy would be. But we know it is what actually we are practicing in day to day life, but just refreshing it, or and empowering ourselves into a better teacher. So thank you all. I thank the RO and my principal ma'am for giving this opportunity for taking part in this one-day workshop. Thank you once again.
Yes, thank you, Suma Madam. Sir, before going for vote of thanks, I would like to request Raju Sir, Assistant Commissioner. Sir, can you please bless our participants and us? Raju Sir, please.
Thank you, Bhanumathi Madam. So yes, with the impressions of these participants, we, the Assistant Commissioner sitting at regional office, so we could able to understand that. So the message of KVS Headquarters Joint Commissioner Dr. N. Murali says, intention to have the session at the region level had helped us, and it's become fruitful, and it reached to each and every individual teacher. See, dear teachers, now KVS is expecting from every nook and corner the NEP 2020. So in this NEP 2020, so different kinds of workshops. Hereafter, we keep on organizing different kinds of workshops in various corners, in various topics. So we wanted to strengthen our team of teachers for this, particularly for this new education policy. So in this process, so today we organized this philosophy, statement of philosophy and teacher autonomy. So definitely Mr. Srinivasan is empowered and enriched, and he had reached to each and every individual participant. So thank you, Mr. Srinivasan, for your support for educating the teachers from our Bangalore region. So thank you, teachers, for taking part in this program. And so in the days to come, again and again, we will be meeting and we will be sharing our knowledge. Now it's over to Bhanumathi Madam, please.
Thank you, sir, for your words. And on behalf of the participants, I can very well say that this is a fruitful day. We have learned a lot. And yesterday, when participants were asking what is about it, please brief us. And none of us brief them because you have to come and experience new ones. Now you can see that with the enthusiasm you have learned. For that, I am thankful to the KVS RO Bengaluru, especially to Raju sir, who has trusted that I will do something correct, and he has given me this duty, sir. Thank you very much. And I also thank our Deputy Commissioner in absentia and other Assistant Commissioners like Narsimham sir and Vasan sir for giving me this opportunity. And Mr. Srinivasan, ZIT Mumbai resource person, sir, your session was wonderful. And I was really waiting for you, and I have told him, please share the materials with me so that I can come prepared. And he said, no problem, madam, I will manage the whole day session. And he has sent me the materials. Sir, I have read the materials. But what materials could not give me, your PowerPoint presentation had given to all the participants was wonderful. We thank you for enriching our teachers and of Bengaluru region in this aspect. And I assure our Assistant Commissioner, sir, in future, this program will be taking to a greater height with the support of you and encouragement from you, sir. I thank also my team of teachers, the computer teachers and other teachers who had helped me to conduct this workshop in a very successful manner. Thank you one and all. And once again, I thank Raju sir for entrusting this work on me. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the participants.
Thank you, madam. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.